Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive your Mazda CX-5. First, let's get comfortable. Adjust your seat for optimal pedal reach and visibility, then set your side and rear view mirrors. Take a moment to locate essential dashboard controls like headlights, wipers, and climate. Knowing where everything is before you start driving helps ensure a smooth and safe experience on the road. This preparation is key for confident driving. To start your Mazda CX-5, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal, then press the engine start/stop button. Once the engine is running, keep your foot on the brake and shift the gear selector to drive for forward movement. Release the parking brake. Gently press the accelerator to move forward and use the brake pedal to slow down or stop. Practice smooth transitions between accelerating and braking for a comfortable ride. Your Mazda CX-5 offers features to enhance your drive. For highway travel, activate cruise control using the steering wheel buttons to maintain a set speed and distance from vehicles ahead. If you desire a more responsive feel, engage Sport Mode, which adjusts transmission shift points for quicker acceleration. The electronic parking brake is engaged by pulling up a switch and released by pushing it down. Always ensure it's disengaged before driving. When parking, bring your vehicle to a complete stop, shift the gear selector to park, and then engage the electronic parking brake by pulling up the switch. Before backing up, always check your mirrors and physically turn to look for any obstacles or pedestrians. Your CX-5 may have a rearview camera to assist, but direct observation is crucial. For making meal prep a breeze, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Always prioritize safety and awareness when maneuvering your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.